Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Canon L11121e, a printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the Chrome. So by that, please navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please navigate on clicking on Open to continue. Now, once you are being navigated at the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the Windows search bar at the top and paste a link that I'll be including at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it and paste it here at the Windows search or address bar. Once you have pasted it, please click on enter so that you would be able to be redirected to the result of this Canon L11121e printer driver. So from here, you would be able to see an option called download. Please click on it so that you can now start on downloading the printer driver, okay? So from here, just click on download anyway. Okay, and wait until it will be downloaded here in our Windows 11 PC or laptop, okay? So once you've clicked on it, you just have to navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see their download icon. Click on it to check the download progress, okay? So we just have to wait for a while until it will be completely downloaded in our Windows 11 PC or laptop before we proceed. Now, once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon so that you would be navigated to the location where it is being placed to or saved. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click on this cut icon at the upper left side of the screen. Close the window once you have copied it, and as well as this. And please do a right click here at the desktop and click on this paste icon. Now, once you have pasted this Canon driver L11121e, please proceed to this the extracting of this application. So please do a right click. Okay. Then just have to wait until this loading process would be finished before we proceed. And once it is being available, click on extract to. So we just have to wait until it will be extracted. And once it is being extracted, if it's not showing here at the desktop, all you need to do is you need to navigate to your file explorer, bring it up, proceed with the desktop, and check if it's being placed here. So we can see it is being placed here. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to close the window and please proceed to the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed for settings, wait for the best match to appear. And once it's appearing here, please click on open to continue. So here, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the option. Please look for Bluetooth and devices. So click on it and under the Bluetooth and devices tab, navigate to devices. And afterwards, you need to scroll down and look for this option called more devices and printer settings and the related settings. Click on it to bring up the devices and printer window. Okay. So once you have show up the devices and printers, you need to proceed at the upper left side of that. You can see there add a printer. Click on it. And from here, you need to proceed with this one, which is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on it and go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next once again. And here it will ask you to use an existing port. Click this down arrow and choose among of these three, which are USB 001, 002, and 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001 as my existing port. Once you're good, click on next. Okay, and it will show you this new window where you can see two options. Click on have disk, go with browse. Once you do it, navigate to the desktop where your driver is being saved to. Scroll down, proceed to your extracted file, which is Canon L11121e. Double tap to it. Proceed with your driver. Double tap once again. It will show you up the driver. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click on open. Click on OK. And it will show you here. Click on next. Okay. Click on next once again. Click on next. And it's now installing the printer. So from here, click on next once again and go with finished. So in that way, you have just successfully installed the Canon L11121e in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.